What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you are having a great day wherever you are in the universe. We're about to get an early look at what's in this box here. By the title, you already know what we're talking about. Yes, indeed, the KD 11 Gold Splatter or Championship Edition, whichever one you want to call it. I've seen it called a few different ways. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe in the comment section. Smash the like button, share the video so more people in the world can see your boy Bossco. We have 4,200, almost to 4,300 subscribers, man. On our way to 43,000 with your help. So if you are new, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get what's inside the box, you dig? Now, for those of you guys who are subscribing and watching my videos, you guys know I go to multiple malls and check out different shoes just to see, what's in stock and if we got anything coming up. Also, see if I can find some shoes that might be out early at certain stores if they are not, which is the case for these KD 11s. These don't come out till October 1st, 2018. So it's I got them about 4 or 5 days early. It took me a little while to get this video out because I just had so much going on, man. Also, which reminds me, if you guys are still rocking with your boy, man, please do me the favor and make sure you watch the videos, let them go through, run ads, or maybe not, just make sure you watch the videos because I've been seeing the numbers switch up a little bit, which is kind of confusing. So let me know in the comment section maybe what's the best time to reach you guys, which time should I post, because I know a lot of people are back to school and doing what they were doing outside of summertime, But enough about that, let's go ahead and check out what's inside the box. KD name on the box, nothing special about the box. It's a typical KD 11 box, but it's not a typical KD 11 shoe. As you guys can see, man, these things are fire, bro. When I saw them on the shelf, I was surprised they even came with this colorway. It's black with it's black and smoke gray, like a charcoal gray with the gold splatter. That's why they call it gold splatter. Gold splatter hints all through the shoe, over the fly knit and everything else going on here. Of course, it has the Zoom and Nike React as it says on the bottom of the shoe. Let me go ahead and get the other shoe out this bad boy. These right here are dope, man. KDs are some really good basketball shoes. They feel a little heavy at first. First impression might make you think they're a little heavy, but these are actually really good. They're comfortable. I've seen some performance tests, which I will probably start getting to that a little bit more sooner as my Achilles gets right to where I can start playing ball again. But in the meantime, between time, let's talk about what's going on here. The whole thing is the same thing as all the KD 11s. The whole upper is the fly knit. This one's different though because it's charcoal gray with the gold splatter. It looks like paint splatter all over the shoe, as you guys can see. But you guys will see up close and personal visuals of these shoes, so you guys will be able to see all the detailed finishes of this KD 11 gold splatter, which I think is fire. The bottoms is like a gray camo, black gray camo through the whole bottom. Very dope. You got the KD signature on the back part of the shoe. Then you have KD's, of course, his logo right here stitched in. This gold point, which is a pretty dope accent because it matches the same color as the gold splatter on the shoe. On the inside of the shoe, which I forgot the terminology of the inside of the shoe, but the inside of the shoe has a stitched in Nike check, which, like I told you guys all the time, I love the shoes when they have a stitched in anything. Nike check, Nike symbol. I like the stitched in part. It makes it look a little bit more expensive, a little bit more important than just something like laminated on or screen printed on, you know what I'm saying? But I want to know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. On the pull tab, it has 11 right here. We're going to get to up close and personal visuals so you guys can see it better. But I want to give you guys my thoughts on these shoes and then see what you guys think based off what I tell you. But like I said, the whole fly knit upper, the colorway is dope, man. And then it has like this sock collar, which a lot of shoes are doing now, so it's easy to kind of put them on. But then when you put them on, they're still secure right around your ankle. So you got great ankle support in these shoes. A lot of cushion with this, with the React and the Zoom Air right there. What does it say at the bottom? KD 11 cushioning system, full length Nike Zoom Air, Nike React midsole foam. Very dope to have a 2-in-1, bro. $150 price point, which is not bad considering the technology that's going on with this shoe and the materials they use. But I'm about to get out of here, man. Do this up close and personal visuals and maybe even on feet. Yeah, and on feet. So let me know what you guys think about these bad boys in the comment section. It's your boy Bossco. Great talking to you guys. Smash the like button, of course, so I can know. Watch the videos. Let a couple of them ads run. Your boy's trying to do this as a full-time thing, man. So I'm going to try to bring you guys even more content, even better content, better shoes, all that jazz. I just need your support to watch. Without further ado, let's get to the reviews of these shoes or the highlights and on feet. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.